GPLांत काकुलो गोवन्सान सन इस्टेट्साक 6 रनांनी मारले. काकुलो गोवन्साक हें जैत म्हत्वाचें. काकुलोन पयलीं बॅटिंग करून 122 रन काडिल्ले. सन इस्टेट्स फक्त 115 रन काडूंक पावले. काकुलो गोवन्साचो सनी पटेल ह्या मॅचीचो मॅन ऑफ द मॅच आनी बेस्ट फिल्डर. सन इस्टेट्साचे विशाल सिंगान एखाद्या मॅचीच्यो सगळ्यांत चड 3 सिक्सरी मारल्यो.
Good shot, straight down the ground. There is no fielder there in the deep. Upishly hit straight to the fielder. What a shot this time from Swapnil Asodkar. Looks like the ball has gone into somebody's kitchen there. Lovely shot there from Swapnil Asodkar. It was in the slot and that one has gone out of the ground. A good shot this time. He'll definitely get a boundary. One bounce into the fence. This time down the leg side, he'll get a boundary. Fine leg is inside the circle. He's employed the reverse sweep with a chance to take a catch, and he's got his man out with the attack. He might get a boundary there, just a feather touch. And he's got his man. This time straight to Sunny Patel. And another boundary. Vishal. And this ball has been dispatched. It's a short ball, the swing and a miss, and that brings us to the end of the match. Kakulo Govans have won the match.
Fielder as well as man of the match, Sunny Patel of Kakulo Govans. He gets 10,000 rupees check as the man of the match.
कायाकिंगांत लिम्का बुक ऑफ रेकॉर्डांत नांव करपाचें टार्गेट महाराष्ट्राचे कौस्तुभ खाडेन दवरलां. मुंबय सावन पणजे मेरेन ताणें कायाकिंग सफर केली. 14 फेब्रेराक दर्यांतल्यान गोंया येवंक भायर सरिल्लो कौस्तुभ 2 मार्चाक मोर्जे पावलो. कायाकिंगांत लिम्का रेकॉर्ड आनी खासा भुरग्यां खातीर वावुरपी मॅजीक बस NGO खातीर तो जागृताय करता. IIT इंजिनियर कौस्तुभान देशाचे 7,500 किलोमिटरांचे दर्यादेगेर कायाकिंगाचें टार्गेट दवरलां.
It's been over 400 kilometers that we've done, and standing in front of you is a team that was instrumental in all of it. On an average day, I would do about 30 kilometers an hour or so, and that would mean about 4 to 5 hours of paddling continuously. It's a Limca Book of Records. That's the first thing. The second is we're raising awareness for Magic Bus. It's the NGO that is closest to our hearts. It basically supports the underprivileged children through sports, and it's a very good cause. So as you can see, the children have come out today, and that's just great to have them here. So I've been kayaking for 5 years, and I was in the national team for 2 Asian Championships in 2012 and 2013, because we got a 7,500 kilometer coastline which has never been explored by kayak. That's the basic idea. So right now the Mumbai-Goa stretch is a small segment of the 7,500 kilometer coastline, and one day I want to do the whole coastline.
आनी इतल्यान खबराची त्रांगात सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.